So this video is going to explain how to install filezilla and create a connection through to the KUNet web server so you can upload your PHP files and try them out. So this is Windows 10. Now I've already installed the editor that we're going to be using, which is Notepad++. You can see the icon here, and I've got Chrome. I'm actually in Chrome running here right now. So I've gone to the filezilla website. Filezilla is the free FTP client that we're going to use, and you get there by going to filezilla-project.org. Again, there'll be a link to it on the web page. So I'm just going to download the client, and here we go, download the client, and we can just download the basic one here. So I'm just going to click on download, and you can see it's downloading. There we go. And that will be in my downloads folder, or I can just tap on here to install it. So just going to follow the instructions here. I'll minimize Chrome. I agree. And I'm just going to click next, and you can just leave the default settings. I will have a desktop icon, that's quite useful. Click next. I'm just going to install it in the standard program files location, and I won't want to install any of this additional software, so I won't bother with that. And there we go. If I finish that now, you can see I've now got an icon for filezilla on the desktop, and it's automatically started it. So just to prove that, I'll close that down, double click on here, and there we are. You can see I've got filezilla installed, just like that. So I'll make this a little bit bigger so you can just see what's going on here. Now, to actually connect through to the Kingston University web server, we're going to need to put some details in these fields here. So I'll talk through doing that in the next video.